The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central McLennan County in central Texas, eastern Johnson County in north central Texas, east central Bosque County in central Texas, Hill County in central Texas, Ellis County in north central Texas, northwestern Navarro County in north central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Midlothian to 9 miles southeast of Lake Whitney State Park, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Cedar Hill, Waxahachie, Ennis, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Hillsborough, Ovilla, Venus, West, Ferris, Whitney, Palmer, Italy, Itasca, Grandview, Oakleaf and Maypeel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 351 and 369. Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 23. Interstate 35E between mile markers 371 and 410. Interstate 45 between mile markers 238 and 266. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.